I'm about to show you how to take an old cell phone and make it your webcam for your stream. You ready? So there's a lot of options out there as far as cameras go. You can use these guys, but man, they can cost a pretty penny. You can get these, and they're still kind of expensive. What you wouldn't believe right now is what you're watching me on is a camera from a phone, and it's super, super clean. So there's probably 2 or 3 things that you're gonna need to make this work. A little stand for your phone. Of course, you're gonna need an old phone or new phone, however you wanna do it. I chose something that I don't use, that way it could stay in the same place all the time. You're probably gonna want to have it plugged in throughout the process. That way you don't have to worry about the phone dying during the stream, because that would be embarrassing. And the last thing we'll talk about is the software necessary to make this work. The software is pretty important, and there's quite a few different options to choose. And also, once again, another important factor is that you're gonna need to use OBS Studio to get this working the right way. So the very last thing that we're gonna get into, and it's the most important part, is where to get the software, which I'm about to show you. So we're gonna pull up Google Chrome. We're gonna type in the OBS Droidcam. Go ahead and search that. And as you're gonna see, the first one that pops up is Droidcam OBS by Dev47 Apps. Go ahead and click that link. It's gonna take you to their page. Now, their page is gonna show you how to do some things as well. Big piece is you're gonna want the plugin. It's gonna pull you down, and you're gonna immediately download the plugin. As you see, it's gonna pull up. Make sure you do that part. After which, you'll see that there's an area for you to get the app, whether you're on Android or Apple. Choose whichever one that you need. So what is great about this app is it's available on Android or Apple devices. On your Apple device, it's going to be called OBCam HD. On your Android, it's going to be called Droidcam OBS Studio. Either way you go, this app works great. Now keep in mind that this application has a free version that will show a watermark, and has a paid version, $5, that takes that watermark away. It's up to you as to whether or not you want to pay for it, but either way you get to use it for free. But it is without a doubt one of the cleanest cameras you can get for quality. You can almost read this phone right here. So if you do not already know how to load plugins into OBS Studio, I'm going to show you a video specifically for that. But for this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and start adding the things you want onto your OBS scene so that you can use your Droidcam as your main camera. So step 1 is going to be going over to your scene. So I've got scene 3, a blank scene specifically for this. Once you have the plugin installed, you'll just hit the plus. You'll find the Droidcam OBS. You put it on there. As you see, I already have one. But for the sake of this, we're going to act like I don't. We're going to have a second portion. So we're going to hit OK. Immediately, this screen populates. You can choose your resolution based on what you want, and then on your device, you'll open the application. This is where you find your Wi-Fi IP address. It can change. Just want to throw that out there. When you connect to different Wi-Fi, or maybe your Wi-Fi goes out and reconnects, if you're having issues with your camera, check your Wi-Fi IP and make sure it's up to date to match this. And then I'm going to hit activate. As soon as I hit activate, it's going to automatically activate that for my phone. So then I'll hit OK. So now my Droidcam is active. I've got the app open on my phone. And now you can see my camera. Just like that. Now, there are quite a few settings built in there for higher frame rate, such as 30 to 60, or even which camera you're choosing the camera to pick up. You can adjust any of that. I recommend just fiddling around with those things. I have fallen in love with the quality that I get out of it, and gotten so many compliments on my streams as well. This is a super inexpensive way to get your stream set up the way you want it. If you've already got the phone, you may spend $10 on a mount and another $10 on a cable. It's $20 as opposed to the $300, $400, $500, $600 you spend on a really nice digital camera. Yo, if you found any value in this video at all, please share it with your buddies. drop the comments in the links. If you like this, let's hear about it.